Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have another special package for you, and this was sent to me by Anka from Nail Reserve. That's right. Do you like to get your nails done or do you do it yourself? Well, if you do it yourself, this is going to be great news for you, because inside here are not only some colors that you may absolutely love, but a deal you may not want to pass up. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about this company, and I will tell you they shipped it over to me. They've got little foozles in here, and we have several things in here to talk about. But before we do, I want to tell you a little bit about Nail Reserve. They have a promise to all their customers. We will always want the best for your nails by continuing to build Nail Reserve around vegan, free, and cruelty-free products, just the healthy way to go. We will provide you access to the best manicures in the comfort of your own home. We promise to keep your nails healthy with affordable and salon quality soak-off gel nail polish and prioritize your well-being with the safest ingredients. We promise to help your nails stay healthy and powerful, beautiful and jolly. And that is their intro statements. They're believer in the power of beauty, designed and formulated as your go-to source, incredible colors and formulas. Our gels can be worn in a way that works for you at all times, whatever the weather, whatever the occasion, short or long, neon or nude. In the heaven of your sanctuary, we know you want your nails you can trust, and we diligently dedicate each day and every gel polish to make this happen. At Nail Reserve, we believe in the right to empowerment. We celebrate this by offering easy access to salon quality gel nail polish that is also healthy, no matter where you are on the globe, and giving you the tools to create magic on your own. And for the moments when you hesitate, we'll be there to reassure you are doing amazing and help you with any questions you might have about the product's application and etc. You are allowed to have beautiful nails no matter what. We know your nails will never be dull. We are sure your manicures will stand out always and last for weeks. We commit always to be your provider of peace, joyfulness, and fierce colors. So guys, they have a lot that they stand behind. They just keep on nailing it, and what they offer over 200 shades of soak-off gel, and we continue to bring fresh colors and formulas each season, so you're never bored and your nails can live their best life in any shade. So that is an introduction to them, which is fabulous. They have a great mission statement, and they do care about your nails. And Anka reached out to me because she wanted you all to find out about it in case you've never heard of them. I also want to mention real quick that they have sent a 50% off discount because they've sent this to me free for review. Anka has also sent a 50% off discount, and it's Miss Jackie Russell. So that's 50% off your first purchase. That's a heck of a deal. And she's inviting you to become a part of their elite members that have VIP Reserve. And the benefits to being a VIP, if you're interested, is you get 50% off always and more on special sales, early access to launches, access to exclusive sales, free shipping worldwide, free returns and exchanges. So this product that I'm going to show today is worldwide. So wherever you live, you can get Nail Reserve and have beautiful, colorful nails. And it'll tell you all about it, and I'll have a link for you to pop over there and find out more about being a VIP, where you can get these exclusive deals. So that is really nice that they have. It's kind of like a subscription is what I would say, but you're going to have all these nail colors coming your way, and you can pay as you go. You can buy from them either way. You can be a VIP member or you can pay as you go, and they're here to help you no matter what. So it sounds like a pretty good deal. So you may want to, check that out. And as far as what we're going to do here today, I just wanted to show you a few things that I picked out from Nail Reserve. They let me pick out several colors, and they're inside our little box here. I got a mini UV LED lamp, and you will need one of these if you're going to do gel nails. And so they sent that in my package. And on this side, I have my gel nails, again packed up with foozles. Now, I picked out 5 colors, and I'm very excited to show them to you. And the first color that I picked out was this very hot neon pink, and this is electric pink. And the color of this nail polish is what's on top, so you can always see what your nail polish is going to look like. And you can take it off there and we can see that it's going to be very shiny and very pretty, and it fits right back on there. But that is our gel nail for electric pink, and I love that. That is beautiful. And then I also picked cashmere. And this is just a very nice color that I would have to say is like an off-white gray, and very beautiful. As you could see, that'd be very pretty and very neutral. And again, it's going to look just like that on top. And then I picked out another pink, and this is Be My Baby Pink. And this is like baby pink. You know what I mean? Like the color, like baby blue. Well, then here we're going to have like a baby pink. And isn't that very pretty? And you can see the shine even with inside there, that you're going to have a shiny gloss of your gel nail. And then this little mini light is going to seal it so you can get everything you need. And then this color is electric orange, and it looks like this. Very pretty. I love that. Very, very pretty. And then the last color I got, you got to have a red. So I got Goddess. That's what this color is, and that's what it looks like in the gel. Isn't that beautiful? So I got 5 beautiful colors to start off with, and they're 50% off if you use my discount. And I just think that is a wonderful price. I want to show you the consistency of one, and I do have me a little nail here that I'm going to put this on and show you how easy it would be to apply to your nail. And again, it is gel. And this is the baby pink. Isn't that pretty? Just like the lid cap, it shows you how shiny it is. Very, very pretty. And then you would have your little lamp that you could set up. It does use a USB cord. It shows the mini UV LED lamp for $29. And that's what we're looking at right here. And just so you know, if you get the 50% off, I would think it would count toward that as well. And it does have this USB, and we plug it into this little lamp. It's got little leg stands so that you can stand it up. So it looks like that. On the inside, you've got your UV lights there. And I'm going to plug this into my computer and see if it'll work. Oh, and it does work. Look at that. So then you would set this down on your table, like so. You would put your painted nail and you would put it underneath there, and it's going to cure it. Now, I don't want to blind you guys, but it's got a timer. So when you put your fingers in there after you've got your gel nail on, it's going to set, and the timer is going to go off automatically when it's been under there long enough for your nails to set. And as they were telling us earlier, these gel nails can be easily soaked off. And so that is another important fact. It's vegan-free, cruelty-free, so they have worked diligently to get you a safe and sound and effective gel nail for you to use. And it's gone off, so it is cured. And you just take this off, and I should be able to touch that and it'll be just fine. But you've got your nice little gel nail, and I want to try out this orange. It's nice and bright and it's easy to apply. This is the bright orange, and I'm going to put it under the light. And I'm not sure how long the little mini light stays on, but while the light's activating, it will cure it, and then your nails will be good for a week or two. And there it is, all done. So we have the orange and the pink all done, and I could put that on my little ring, and I know what colors those are going to be, and I could put it against my fingers to see if that's the one that I want for that week, however often that you're going to do your gel nails. Now, I think this is a great little product, and I love it that you can get all the tools that you need to make it work, and this is easy. This is something that can easily be stored and put away real quickly. You could get it out real quickly and store it real quickly. And as you just seen, I just hooked that up to my computer and it worked, and just easy to work with from Nail Reserve. And thank you, Anka, for sending these out to me. And again, these were the 2 colors that I polished and that they're already cured using the light. And then the other colors that I got was the red, which was Goddess, this cashmere, which looks like a whitish gray, and then we have the electric pink. And I don't know which would be your favorite color. If you were to choose out of these 5 colors, which ones would you like? Would you like the baby pink, the electric orange, or the electric pink, or the cashmere, or this goddess red? They're all pretty. To me, it'd be hard to pick, but I am a pink person, so I would probably go for these 2. And if I was to pick of these 2, I'm always into neon colors, so that would be my favorite of all these that I got. But I want to thank Anka for sending these over to me for review, and I would have to say they're a good product. It's a good quality product, and I love the colors, so I think that it's a great purchase. And if you're someone that's looking for cruelty-free and vegan-free type nail polish and you want something healthy for your nails, then I think this is the one to look for. And you can save 50% with Miss Jackie Russell, and I will have the link down below for you to use, and you can just click right on over there. I will tell you that the discount does have a disclaimer. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles. And please be advised that it will not work when we have automatic promotions on the website. So take that in consideration. If you're picking out something and it's in a bundle, and or if it's already an automatic promotion, you won't save 50% off on that. But if you purchase 2 products minimum, but I want to put that disclaimer out there because they have mentioned it, and I will also have that down in my description along with the link. But 50% off is a great discount if this is something that's for you. And if you like to do nails, but you want your nails to stay with color on it, and you want it to be vegan free and effective, Nail Reserve is for you. And again, you can get your light, and then the nail polishes run a variety of prices. A regular gel nail runs about $20.99, so that would be half price on your 50% off with at least 2 products, and that would make this around $10.50, which is really a fair price. And then of course, if you join their VIP program, you'll have an even better deal. Like I said, if this is something that you'd be interested in, the colors are beautiful, and I just showed you 5, and they have over 200 that you can choose from. So as for today and Nail Reserve, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.